definitely never ready. This was a decisive attack to throw us off guard.
This destruction is my fault. I was supposed to keep them safe.
Donkey said the world on level and not true. This was unexpected, Zema. You can't blame yourself. We failed as a team.
No, Guardian. It is I who failed this team. And failed these people. I have the power cosmic flowing through my veins. I have the power of 1,000,000 suns. I can move faster than the speed of light. What good is all that if I can't save the innocent? I should have been able to protect them.
I've seen this behavior before in his father when he lost his mortal bride. He will need time.
Time is something we don't have, Guardian. We need to put up a defense around Jamaica.
Like the wall of Benin.
This is my legacy. This is the trophy of all wars. Ki was promised to me after I destroyed the Zadian galaxy and all its inhabitants. This planet is the gem of this galaxy, and it is slowly being rotting away with pollution. Still yet they continue to pollute the very air they breathe with worthless technologies. This madness must cease.
Humanity corrupts and destroys everything they touch. He will be yours to rule once you get that pesky Jamaican out of the way.
Hey, Minister King, where you there? Me want to chat to you for a minute. I've been praying for you, King. Your influence is growing, but I sense a darkness closing in.
Wait, I was expecting you earlier. What's on your mind, Creed?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. The solar energy bill. You're stalling, and we both know why.
Stalling? Why would I want to do that?
King, we've profited handsomely from the oil deals. Your pockets, my flock's coffers, it's all connected.
Keep your voice down, Creed.
Oh, I'm just getting started. You see, I've been having some visions. Visions of a brighter future down the dust. With oil still pumping, and solar panels collecting dust.
The rain. What's your plan?
Help! Please, someone help me! Please, someone help me!
Someone's calling for help!
What's going on? Huh?
Oh. Please save him!
I will do my best, miss. I seem to have picked up a tail. Nothing a few laser blasts can't handle. I don't want to hurt you. Just give me the
Got you. Everyone will be asking, who destroyed the Keon in black, green, and gold? It was me! One less Keon to worry about.
Lights. How can he still be alive after all that?
Time to end this.
You were right, Minister King took the bait. The next phase of the plan is to gain control of the oil rigs. I will see you in church tomorrow. We can discuss it after service.
Hey, red-headed Rastaman, come buy some pepper light, $500.
I know she didn't die in the explosion that destroyed her apartment. The aliens that I saw leaving the scene are somehow connected to her disappearance.
High Supreme, the target is invisual. He is no threat.
Where you going dressed like that, Ashley? When did you try take off them clothes, you hear? Young girl, you hear say me need competition? You need to remember you're a child and start acting like one. It look like you're fed up too fast.
Why you a say, baby, me can get your number?
No.
Where are you?
Why can't I sense your location?
Happy Kwanzaa, mister!
How can this possibly be happy? While this side of Kingston celebrates Kwanzaa, the other side of Kingston is in darkness. And it's all my fault.
Excuse me, sir. There are some anomalies just outside of Portland, sir.
Prepare the DM-1.
As you wish, sir. DM-1 prepped and ready for deployment, sir. At the speed of which we're going, we'll be there in 30 minutes, sir. Way ahead of schedule. By the way, sir, your weight is a little bit off. Would you like to stop by Ziggy's on your way to Portland, sir?
I'll take drive-through.
Welcome to Ziggy's. How can we help you today?
Them type of car, they are Jamaica?
And why you are say rude boy you want see what me a drive? Multiple threats detected, sir.
Guardian, we have a problem. They purposely cloak to avoid detection from the JDF air and space satellites.
They might enter the airspace that borders the Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea. Demon look alive. They might test with defenses. This is the reptilians back battle strategy. Them a hold back the big gun, Jaja.
I keep having flashback of the day they took her. Them again. They're making another attack. And President Ibrahim Traore is right in the line of their fire. They're going to need my help. In times of need, you call on
Jamaican. I am the High Supreme of all that is. I have a fleet of galactic forces invading Jamaica on the planet Key. Surrender, and I will be merciful. Your galactic forces are no threat to me, oh boy.
Who are you? What do you want with our planet?
We are here to take this world.
Our planet is not up for taking, rude boy.
That was a surprised attack. There is no one here to challenge the High Supreme.
Funny enough, a part of my ability is to absorb mass discharge of energy and reuse it. Million times greater than the sun.
Tell the High Supreme you just got deported.
Sire, our entire fleet has been annihilated by this one peon. He calls himself Jamaican.
In the heart of the island, there's a hero so bright. With the strength of the sun, he's prepared for the fight. Jamaican's his name, he rises with pride, defending the weak. He'll never hide, with a smile on his face. He brings hope to despair. He's the strength of the people. He's always there. Jamaican old hero, shining so bright, turning darkness to dawn, bring love to the fight. He's here to save the world. We follow his lead. In unity we rise. It's hope that we need.
Jamaican and Hummingbird don't run in on them yet. But just reach out to Al-Kabalan and they already structured their defense.
Who would have thought the Guardian, the Black, Green and Gold just destroyed over 30 of our visitors' craft and took off. Not sure where him gone, but him gone though.
Yeah, no! Bounty Price, me can't see nothing from your direction. I hope you're up there working on the cameras for visual support and not just listening to reggae music.
Come.
Hey Guardian, relax yourself. Firstly, reggae music is something when you listen, you have to feel it, you hear me? I am currently working on the cameras as we speak, so don't worry your little head, man. Just take in some music from the loudspeaker and relax, and I soon give you visual.
Everybody don't get to pull them weight.
I want to
You
respond.
want this half party. Them thing I can't deal with when it come on to you in a Bounty Price. There's a pending threat in the east. I hope when the heat turn up, you're ready.
Where's it ready? Now I'm ready.
Brethren, me still can't see you.
Port, please! Insolence! This Kian destroyed an entire fleet and he is of no threat? Prove your worthiness to me, Twin Collector, and make this right!
Yes, High Supreme, as you command.
What's wrong with the man? Why do I beat up the little girls and women? Their hands meant to hold and caress, instead wield violence, causing distress. Their words, once soft and kind, now laced with venom, leaving scars behind. Why do they hurt? Why do they harm? Is it power control or a twisted charm? The pain they inflict, it echoes through time. A cycle of hurt, a wound that's hard to redefine. We cry out for justice, for an end to the pain, for the safety of our daughters, sisters and mothers in vain. Let's rise up, let's break the chains. Let's stand together, let's end the pain. Respect, kindness and love, let's reclaim. For the women and girls, let's restore their dignity and name. What's wrong with the man? Let's work together, hand in hand. Release Jamaica from this negative ban. This poem aims to raise awareness about violence against women and girls.
Hey, stop what you're doing, brother.
Would you want someone to do that to your sister, your daughter or mother?
Leave our women alone, or to me you will answer. I am watching. I am everywhere. Your closest friend, your father, your brother.
The judgment is in our eyes. We won't stand while our women and children are being unalive.
What's wrong with the man then? Is it one then? Them a kill off me one then. What's wrong with the man then? Is it one then? Them a river the deep then. What's wrong with the man then? Is it one then? Tell me we can't stand them. See our eyes on you. Yeah. We know what you're up to. See our eyes on you. Yeah. We know what you're up to. Yo. What's wrong with the man then? Is it one then? What's wrong with the man then? Sick one then? No, what's wrong with the man? What's wrong with the man then? No! The can't bother star, the youth need. Why not love a man? I love you, lady. I will find you.
Where am I? What do you want from me? Hello? Let me out of here. Let me out. Hello? Where am I?
Why on the rocket? What's up, darling? Want to pee?
Who are you?
I am darkness in living form.
Oh, Condoleezza? I have heard of you.
All bad, I hope. I have a reputation to uphold, you know. You see? Me know you're never idiot after all.
If you not release me this instant, Jamaican will be coming. And he will be coming for you. You can count on that.
Jamaican? Jamaican is coming for me? You know what you just say? Look for me good. Me look like I'm afraid of your Jamaican boyfriend. Oh! Careful now. Don't want to put any scratches on you. Not just yet.
What the hell you want from me? Let me go now.
Oh, I just want you to be patient. Your usefulness will soon present itself.
Oh, yeah?
Merry Christmas. No, man, no deal with Christmas, ya so. A Kwanzaa, we say.
Merry Kwanzaa? I'm looking for a Rasta man.
A who them boy they a Babylon?
Quick thing it done, hide the weed.
There was a Rasta man that came up here before we came.
I don't know why you are talk about, brethren.
Did you see someone pass here before us?
Me no see no one, brethren. Me look like informer to you? Watch your white boy, me a go move you no.
Are you sure you haven't seen him?
Hey, it look like stick broke in your ears.
What? What that for?
You almost had us fooled.
you pathetic red-headed Rastaman. As of today, we will be the new dominants on this planet.
If you believe that, you're dumber than you look. Destroy him. The High Supreme will have no use for his hide in the new world.
Is that all you've got?
That and more.
Happy Kwanzaa!
Your turn.
Bring it! Die! Get him!
This is just not your day, is it?
Where you wanna go? This at the end of the line.
How are you gonna stop what's coming?
Hand in hand, as one nation.
You people are destroying the Earth!
Die!
I am the Twin Collector. How is this possible?
We're not perfect. We work on our mistakes.
And trying to be better each day.
Talia, what the hell?
What is that I'm feeling? I can sense your presence, Thalia. Is that really you?